Hi everyone, in this video let's talk about 180 Life Science clinical stage biotechnology company that engaged in development of drug candidates in areas of inflammatory disease, fibrosis and pain. It has a highly volatile share price in the past 3 months, but there's also pretty much good returns, 90 days, 245%, which is good. Long-term price volatility considers low, and full information should not consider as investment advice. It actually, Finviz shows that it actually had the same prices currently in last year's November. Then it dropped significantly, like over 80%. Then it through the month came back, and yeah, it has peaked some the middle of February, then it dropped back in March and then raising again. So it's pretty highly volatile share price. If you enter at current level, there's really high risk to end that the stock price would end some around like $2, because I think there's a big support level in around $2 per share, because it bounced back 2 to 3. I think there is a support, and yeah, it's a highly volatile share price and pretty risky to enter at current levels. And it also, we don't have any price targets, MarketWatch doesn't have, and also tip ranks as well, and also simple Wall Street. Based on PB ratio, it's overvaluated. And yeah, future growth, fortunately only for the industries, forecasted almost 20%. And past performance, as you can see, last year earning growth decreased by 662%, and the company is unprofitable. Financial health side, we see that they have a little bit of depth, but they decreased the equity level, and they do have pretty little cash, 473k. Equity currently 5 million. Yeah, pretty. The debt to equity ratio is for 54%, which is considered as high, and they're not paying dividends. On insider trading side, we see pretty much sells, and there was one buyer, 1,000 shares, max price $3 per share. There's a company who sold. They didn't wait for these days and sold about price 326, 2.49, 2.85, 2.78. Well, ownership breakdown shows general public holding more than a half, individual insiders 24, institutions 12, private companies 8. And top shareholders, I think there's no fresh data. Last reporting holding date last year, even in November and December. There's not actually this month data, but anyway, as you can see, there's a high possibility that the price will drop down to 5 or 3, same as you can see in November. So there was a red week on the stock, and simple safe dividend shows that shares outstanding keep increasing pretty much, and inflation data on the total sales. Investing.com summary the stock for long-term investors as a neutral but moving averages buy. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in the future one.